Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the white screen issue in Roblox. Alright, let's begin. First, locate your Roblox player on your desktop or in the Start menu. Right-click on it and select Properties. Now go to the Compatibility tab. Here, enable Run this program in compatibility mode 4. From the drop-down menu, select Windows 7. Next, enable Disable full-screen optimizations. Run this program as an administrator. Now click Apply and then press OK. After that, try launching Roblox again. If the white screen issue still happens, open the Windows settings on your computer. Use the search bar and type Graphics Settings. Then open it. Now look for the option called Optimizations for windowed games. If this setting is turned on, try turning it off. If it's already off, try turning it on instead. After changing the setting, restart your computer. Once your PC restarts, open Roblox again and check if the issue is fixed. And that's basically how you fix the white screen issue in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing and giving this video a big thumbs up.